Okay, so we started off with dropping the hip, stretching the spine, sending energy straight down, rolling all the joints underneath. And from there we close the quad, we empty this leg out as we go all the way there, close and create a stretch to get a nice clean connection. Now the movement of the form from here is I pluck the tendons in my foot to release them to move out. But to get that, all we do is we pluck the tendons and we lift, and then we plant the foot down. So this plucking where I pull this way and lift and get this lift up in my foot, once I've got that pluck there and I pluck and float the foot, it'll just glide across effortlessly. But it's a mechanical down in here and a pull here, which pulls the leg up, and then I plant it down. So you do that a dozen or so times, and then as you pluck the tendons, they're loose and they just stretch across and the leg floats into place. So we close in here, we get this tendon ligament connection plucked, and then we just float the leg through that line. So to start with, you pluck the leg all the way up, and you're not contracting the muscles, you're pulling a stretch in to draw your foot up. And then from that position, you bring it back down to enter into the form. So this movement's really, really important. All right, so once we're at that point of understanding, we've connected underneath our partner, we've released one leg, and I want to move this leg out. I yield, take his base, and step the leg out at the same time, and then come into position. So it's really important to do this under pressure. So he's pushing in, I'm connecting underneath his base and stretching the body underneath, relaxing the awareness into him. And then I do the initial movement of the turn where I've got him and I take a step while I'm floating my partner. This is really important because any practical force where he's putting a force, I want to step and issue at the same time. So while I'm doing this roll back energy here, my leg is popping out and stepping, and then I line and turn the foot in to start the opening of the form. So we take the first roll back energy and we step as we do the roll back, and that creates a platform for all your push hands exercises. And you need to integrate Fajin exercise into each movement, a push hands exercise into each movement, and a martial application to each movement as you learn it to get the right timing in your body and the right timing in relation to the functioning of the movement as a martial technique, which we'll cover later. Okay, thank you.